Hi, I'm Phil Baker, President and CEO of Hecla Mining Company, the world's fastest growing established silver miner. There are 4 reasons for this growth. First, our commitment to silver. Since our founding, Hecla has been a silver producer that understands the uniqueness of the metal, particularly now as silver is an energy metal. Second, we have a foundational asset in Greens Creek that provides the cash flow that we reinvest in our mines. Third, one of the reinvestments is the Lucky Friday, whose new mining method, the underhand close bench, or UCB, is doubling its historic silver production. And fourth is Kino Hill. In just 4 months since its acquisition, Kino's reserves are a third higher and will produce about 2.5 million silver ounces this year and in excess of 4 million next year. Looking at the chart on the left, silver reserves are almost 5 times what they were at the start of 2008. If you combine what has been replaced with this increase in reserves, Hecla has added about 400 million ounces over the last 15 years. We have ore bodies that grow, and they're in the best jurisdictions. Looking at the chart on the right, we've had consistent, sustainable growth that is about 50% more silver production than our average of the last decade. We think we could get to 20 million ounces. This growth requires little capital expenditures, so our cash flow and balance sheet is all we need. Let me talk about each mine. Greens Creek had another remarkable year. The mine produced 9.7 million ounces of silver, exceeding our guidance, generating 120 million in free cash flow. Silver production guidance for 2023 is in line with 2022 at 9 to 9.5 million ounces. Silver cash costs are expected to be about 25 cents per ounce, while the all-in sustaining cost is $6 to $6.75 per ounce. Lucky Friday reported a record year with tons processed and its highest silver production in 20 years. We also ratified a 6-year contract with the union, giving us stability to grow production further. Silver production for the year was 4.4 million ounces. The new mining method delivered a 25% improvement in safety, an 11% increase in tons, which was a record, and the largest ever zinc production. The mine is expected to produce 4.5 to 5 million ounces of silver in 23, and all-in sustaining cost of $8.50 to $9.50 per ounce. Recognition of the Lucky Friday is also coming from our peers, with the 2022 Society of Mining Engineers Innovation Award. As I look ahead, I'm more convinced than ever that the best decade of this 80-year-old mine is ahead of it. Casa Berardi produced approximately 128,000 ounces during the year. The mill continues to perform very well, achieving new throughput records. However, challenging underground mining conditions and inflation on the open pit resulted in higher costs. But even with these challenges and the increased capital investment, the mine was near break-even in free cash flow. For 2023, gold production guidance for the mine is reduced to 110 to 115,000 ounces. All-in sustaining costs for the mine are expected to be about $2,000 per ounce, so we're going to have to make a small investment in the mine. Casa Berardi remains an important asset for our portfolio that gives us scale, exposure to gold production, and exploration potential on a large, unexplored land package on the Casa Berardi break. Kino Hill is the largest and highest grade primary silver mine in Canada. Development at the Birmingham and Flame & Moth deposits are on track, with the mill starting in the 3rd quarter and full production expected by year-end. Our guidance for 2023 production is 2.5 to 3 million ounces of silver at an all-in sustaining cost of $12.25 to $14.75 per ounce. And I want to leave you with a number, 1.1 trillion. This number is the amount invested in fossil fuels, which is the same amount that's been invested in renewables. That's the first time ever that's happened. In the past, fossil fuels investments eclipsed renewables. No more. 2022 was the tipping point, and solar is the fastest growing component of renewables. It takes 500,000 ounces of silver for every gigawatt of solar panels installed, so the need for silver will grow. Thanks for watching. Visit us at hecla.com for more information.